Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to edit your PDF using Xodo PDF editor. So guys, after logging your account, and what you have to do, just go to tools as you can see here, and after that guys, what you have to do, go to this option PDF editor, and after that drag your PDF file from your computer and choose the PDF you want to delete. And after that guys, what you have to do, after that wait to loading your PDF, and as you can see here, this is my PDF. And what you have to do, scroll down guys, and you can edit your PDF, and you can choose the title, add text here. As you can see here, you can add the text from here, you can drag text, and you can choose the color, and you can add the format, you can add insert and photo and anything you can to do here. As you can see here, you can drag image and you can modify easily without any problem. I hope this video helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like and share this video for more content.